So today we are going to show the same amount of money in two different ways. And in order to do that, you need to have your coins. And I have a set of coins in front of me here that I am going to use to explain how to do this. So today I want to talk about counting and showing, like I said, showing amount of money in two different ways. So let's pretend that I have 40 cents and how I have 40 cents and how my friend might have 40 cents are two totally different ways. So I can show 40 in a lot of ways. One of the ways I can show 40 cents, if I can get my money, pick it up, is by 4 dimes. I know that a dime is 10 cents. So if I counted this and I went 10 cents would be 10, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents. So 4 dimes would be another way I could make 40 cents. So another way I can do it is think about the biggest coin. So the biggest coin that we have, or the best value, is 25 cents. So if I bet 25 cents, there's 25. What coin could I use next? If I used another 25, I would get 50. So that's way too much. Could I use a nickel to get to 30? A nickel is 5 cents. So that would get me to 30. I want to get to 40 cents. I'm at 30. How do I get to 40? I can add a dime. A dime would add 10 more cents. And I could now be at 40 cents. So a quarter, a nickel, and a dime are going to get me to 40 cents. So 4 dimes gets me to 40 cents. A quarter, nickel, and dime get me to 40 cents. What else could get me to 40 cents? I could do 40 pennies, but that's a lot of pennies. So I don't know if I have that many pennies. So I'm going to leave the pennies off for right now. Let's try another way. I'm going to try a quarter. That's 25. I'm going to try, let's see what I have. I have a dime. That's 35. And I'm going to try 5 pennies instead of that nickel because I don't have a nickel anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 5 pennies make 5 cents. Oops, so you can see them like that. And there's 40 cents. So I have a quarter, a dime, and 5 pennies. And that also gets me 40 cents. So when we're looking at ways to show the same amount in different ways, we want to use different coins. Let's try another one. I'm going to kind of move my coins up here. Kind of looks like a really cool, if you kind of see that, it's a number line. Absolutely our number lines, how we're counting them. Okay, so the next amount is we're going to do 63 cents. And I want to show that in 2 different ways. So the first way I'm going to show it, I'm going to try to do my biggest coins first. Let's see. I can do 2 quarters because 2 quarters I know make, hopefully you said 50. So 2 quarters make 50 cents, but I got to get to 63. I'm at 50. What could I add to 50 to get to 63? I could add a dime. That could get me to 60. And I want 63, so I can add 3 pennies. 1, 2, and 3. Oops, I'm going to cross that line a little bit. That's okay. And that would get me to 63 cents. So 2 quarters. So this way is 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 3 pennies gets me to 63 cents. So let's try another way. What coin could I start with? Could I start with, could I start with dimes? I could. I could start with 1 quarter instead of 2. I could show this in different ways. I could break it up in any way I want. I'm not going to do 63 pennies though. That's a little much. Let's try 1 quarter. That's 25 cents. And then if I add another quarter, or not a quarter, whoopsie, That's a dime. Let me add another a dime, and that would give me 25 and 10 would be 35. Oh, I'm going up. Let's add another dime. 45. Add another dime. 55. Ooh, I'm at 55. If I add another dime, I get to 65. That's too much. I'm at 55, and I got to get to 60 with a nickel because I'm going to add 5. I get to 60, and now I have to get to 3, which is my 3 pennies. 63 cents. So here I have 1 quarter, 3 dimes, 1 nickel, and 3 pennies, and it got me to 63 cents. Again, showing that number line, I added those 2 quarters here, the 1 dime here, and the 3 pennies here. And on here, I have a quarter, a dime, a dime, a dime, a nickel, and 3 pennies. So lots of different ways that you can show money in 2 different ways. I want you to practice this at home and maybe have a challenge with your parents, and you can maybe play a game and see who can find the most amount of ways to make this money.